Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Geminijets 1/200 scale American Eagle Embraer ERJ-145. First off, sorry about the camera quality. My normal camera is broken for some reason. It keeps shutting off on its own, even though the battery is fully charged, so I'm just using a low quality webcam right now, but it's the only way I can get this video out. I went ahead and took the plane out of the box already because I have it on the stand, and for me it's very finicky to get on the stand, so and I don't want to break the stand. I've broken so many stands already. But this is the box. Shiny. When you open it, this is what you'll see. That's where the stand parts will be, and then that's where the plane will be. Single button. And here is the plane. Sorry about the camera quality. It's not the best. But so far on my knowledge, this is going to be so far the only actual video of a Geminijets American Eagle ERJ-145. The other one that I know of has a backwards picture. So you decide, backwards picture or really terrible camera quality. The wheels do spin on this model, all of them. The turbines do not spin as on some 1/200 Geminijet models. Very nice plane. This camera isn't picking up a lot of the detail that it has. Sorry about that. When I get a new camera, I'm just gonna upload a completely new video of this. But at the moment I don't have one. I'm saving up for a gaming computer to run Flight Simulator. This model I definitely do recommend getting this model if you're collecting 1/200 scales. It's die-cast metal made by Geminijets. You see their logo down here. Right here. The camera's so fuzzy you probably can't even see that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll try to get a better video up shortly.